Now remember, we'll be recording, so anything you say can and will be used in a court of law or on YouTube. What's up, e-bike nation? Thanks for coming back. Kimberly's with me today riding the Velowave Prado S, and we're going to be doing a review on these new helmets that we got. These are the Sena M1 helmets with Bluetooth intercom, so we can talk to each other and communicate all during our ride. This is our first ride with these. We're going to ride down to the Freaky Tiki Bar at Clancy's and have an adult beverage. It's a nice day for a ride. It's a little bit warm, but we're dealing with it. And I broke 100 miles on my Velowave Ranger fat mountain bike, so we may do a little review of it on the way. Car behind us, baby, fall in behind. Car behind us. As you see, that's where the Sena helmets are really nice. Okay, all clear. They allow us to communicate when there's a car behind us, or when I need to tell her which way we're going to go, or she needs to yell at me. So how do you like your bike?
I love it.
It's easy to get on and off of? Yeah, we'll go ahead and stop since it's a four-way. All right, now we'll go. Car behind you now. What do you like about your bike?
Everything.
Yeah?
Oh my god.
It's easy to get on and off of?
Yeah, and it speeds up really fast and it brakes nice and easy. It's not like jolting me like...
Yeah, it's got hydraulic brakes.
Everything about it is really smooth. It doesn't scare me.
Good. It's kind of intimidating at first, isn't it, that it has so much power?
Yeah, but it's smooth and easy.
Yeah, you got used to it really quickly. All right, falling behind me here, this is 43rd Street. We'll definitely stop because there's a cop over there in the parking lot.
Of course.
Yeah. He was checking out our bikes. He was gonna say, sweet bikes, dudes. Dude and dudette. All clear. All clear behind. That's a good looking bike. Maybe they'll come out with a pink one soon. We'll get you one of those. Look at that thing accelerating. Man.
No, that wasn't even all the way. I follow you.
All right, I'm going to go around on the left. These helmets are really well ventilated. They really let the air through, I notice.
Yeah, it's really comfy.
Yeah, it feels really good.
I'm still a bit loose, but
Yeah, we need to tighten yours up a little bit, the strap, I think.
I'm happy to.
All right, we're going into the park again.
Oh, I hate this little thing.
Just roll right through it. Those big tires will eat it up, no problem.
Oh, God. Okay.
You got it. I'm waiting for you.
I'm right here.
Watch out for suicide squirrel. You know about suicide squirrel, right?
No.
When you're riding a one wheel or an e-bike or a scooter, they jump out in front of you because they don't hear you coming. It's almost like they're trying to commit suicide.
Oh. We should have bells or something.
Yeah.
So like when we're going through a wooded area.
Yeah. Oh, it's so scary. So the Velowave Ranger, I made a few upgrades to it. I didn't like the stance that the handlebars had when I got it, so I put an adjustable gooseneck on it that let me bring the bars back a little bit. So the seat that came on it was pretty hard, so I upgraded to a cushioned seat, a memory foam seat with a shock absorbing seat post. That really helps. Other than adding a bunch of gadgets, lights, mirrors, phone holders, that's about it. The bike's worked out really great for me. As I said before, the Ranger is for people that are taller. If you're less than 6 foot tall, I wouldn't recommend the Ranger. I'd recommend the Prado there with the step-through frame. This is just a really tall bike with the big tires. Great for big guys like me, but if you're shorter, look at the Prado. Right, Kimberly?
Yep. Absolutely.
What do you think about the helmet so far?
It's really comfy.
They're awesome. The sound is great. I have no problem hearing you.
You're loud and clear.
So we're going to Clancy's today, the Freaky Tiki Bar. Whoa, look out, birds! Oh, that was cool. Yeah. Look at that Tesla. Cool color. I like the color. I don't think that's a factory paint job though. All clear behind. We'll be taking a left at this next street. Taking a right into here. So today's ride was about 4.5 miles each way. That's not a very long ride. This is only Kimberly's second ride on her new electric bike, so we're working on our stamina, working up to some longer rides. We're looking for a bike rack that'll carry both of our e-bikes safely, so we can start to go ride some of the longer bike trails around the state. Follow me, okay? We're going right in. I thought you were gonna run into me.
Why would I do that?
I don't know. Okay, let's talk about these helmets. On the outside, they look like a regular bicycle helmet. If you notice in the back, there's a Sena button and 2 LED lights. They can flash or be solid to help with visibility. On the side are the volume up and down and connect button. This helmet can be used to connect to your phone, to make and receive phone calls, or listen to music. The reason we got them was for the intercoms. We can connect our two helmets together and talk just like we're having a normal conversation without yelling. On the underside of the helmet, you can see where there are 2 speakers, one located above each ear and a microphone located underneath of the visor. The helmets are very well vented and very comfortable on our heads. We were really happy with the way they worked and the way they felt. We'll be using them on all of our rides from here on out. This version is the Sena M1 helmet. They have some newer versions available now. We got a pretty good deal on these on Amazon. They were about 125 bucks a piece. Well worth it, in my opinion. So as normal in Florida, the afternoon thunder showers started to build and threaten us. We hopped on our bikes and we cranked them up for a fast ride home.
He has a chilling thing.
I'm with you.
All right. All right. Well, I don't know about you, but I say 2 thumbs up for the Sena M1 helmets. Pretty awesome, aren't they?
Very awesome. I love them.
It might make people think we're crazy that we're talking to ourselves, but we're actually talking to each other. Nice wide sidewalk.
Nice fire truck. Safe there.
Ooh, you hear that thunder?
Yep.
Time to get our asses home. Here come the monster. All right, we're gonna pick up a little bit of pace here and keep moving because we might be racing the storms again, okay? All right, pick up your pace a little bit, keep up with me. Clear, no pedestrians.
Okay. I don't like things.
Suicide squirrel. Watch out. Okay, go ahead. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Good. All right, hammer it down, baby. I'll be right with you. Cruising. Yeah, I'm right behind you. You're good. No one behind us. We're all clear. Going about 21 miles an hour. That's faster than I can pedal, I'll tell you that. All right, I'm coming around on your left side. We'll be taking a left into the church parking lot up here. All right, left turn. Clear, come on through. All clear behind. We'll be going left up here at 32nd. Left at this street. I'll let you take the lead. Go ahead, left turn. Kicking ass on that thing, baby. I'm on your right. On your right, on your left, I'm sorry. Right turn. We beat the rain. Right turn and we're home.